Hello, I'm Patrick with L.A.T Language Training. Last Saturday, we hosted our first free English workshop called The Art of Asking, and it was a great experience for everyone involved. 8 students joined us to practice asking clear, confident questions in real-life situations. We worked on polite openings, follow-up questions, and professional ways to end a conversation. Then students took what they had practiced and used it during real phone calls to Houston
Do you have
businesses.
any 3 bedrooms available? The table for night?
What time do you open?
That was the most exciting part, and we're just getting started. Our next free workshop will be Saturday, August 8th at 11 a.m. at the Carnegie Neighborhood Center and Center for Learning, located at 1050 Quitman Street in Houston. We're also opening registration for our online group classes and private English coaching. If you're ready to speak English with more confidence in everyday life or at work, visit latenglish.com or send us a message. We'd love to have you join us.